Remember, when this kind of problem is asked in your examination, it will be very easy for you to solve. Now, I will let you know why. The reason is the standard mix and actual mix are given separately. Okay. And one more thing what we need to remember is here everything is given. No need to calculate anything. Because working notes nu ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಯಾಕಂತೆ ಒಂದು simple example ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ how to calculate all the three variances I will tell you. The first one is material cost variance. For number one, it will be 3,500 minus 3,000, and for the second one, it is 3,750 minus 4,550. If you do it, then done, no problem. Next is material price variance is required. Then if you see, the first two, standard price is also 10 and actual price is also 10. Then there will be no variance because 10 minus 10 will be 0, and if you multiply it with anything, it will be 0 only. Okay. And the next one, for that next one you will get 15 minus 14, it will be 1. Then 1 should be multiplied with the actual quantity, that is 325. So answer will remain same, that is 325. And the next one, material mix variance, which is nothing but material there was one more variance, material efficiency, where something was that. So it is also very simple. How to do it? First, 350 minus 50 you have to do. 350 minus 50 into 10. The next is 250 minus 325 into 15. Okay, this may be little bit confusing for you, but what I wanted to know you is, you just copy this problem, or you already have it in your WhatsApp. Keep an eye on this problem. Today we will solve this. Okay? क्या सॉल्व करेंगे इस प्रॉब्लम को?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start. First, you note down the heading. Material cost variance. Material cost variance. Material cost variance. Somebody who can give me the formula for material cost variance? MCV is equal to anyone? MCV is equal to कोई बताएगा? What is the formula for material cost variance?
Yes, sir. Standard
Yes, tell me.
quantity into standard price
Very good. See, standard
minus.
quantity into
Okay, sir.
standard price minus actual quantity into
Actual
actual price.
Into actual price.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the problem, if you see, the standard quantity of A is already given and its rate is also given, and once it is multiplied, what will be the value? That is also already given in the problem. That is 350 into 10, 3,500. You are seeing?
Yes, sir.
And standard quantity is 350, standard rate is 10, and the amount is also given, that is 3,500. So in that case, even if you do not write this 350 into 10, it is okay because it is already given in the problem. So hence what I will do for A, it is 3,500 minus 3000, which will be equal to 500. And this is a favorable variance because here the actual is within the standard. And then next is B. B is 3750 minus 4550. I believe this will be 800 rupees. Check whether it is right. $800 you can just anyone who has calculator, please check it.
Yes, sir. 800, sir.
800. That means this will give us minus 300, which means that the situation is adverse. So when you write adverse, even if you do not write minus, it is okay. Adverse 300. Hope you are able to understand this. If you are finding it confusing, or you can again do the same thing, 350 into 10 and 300 into 10. You can do that also. But I thought in order to reduce your efforts, this will be the best way to solve. The next is, he has asked for material price variance. Somebody who can give formula for material price variance? It is standard price minus actual price, I think. Standard price minus actual price into, I think, actual quantity.
Yes, sir.
Into actual quantity. Okay. So here, in case of A, the standard price is, I think, 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10 minus 10 into what is actual quantity? We know it is 300. So this will give us 0 because 10 minus 10 will be 0. So that's why the result will also be 0. So next is, when it comes to standard price of B, it is 15 and actual price is 14 and actual quantity is 325. Then result will also be 325 and the result will also give us 325 as the above is 0, and this is favorable. This is favorable. Now the next one, that is material mix variance. Somebody who can give me formula for material variance?
Standard
Mix
quantity
variance? I
minus
think it is same
standard
minus
quantity.
actual quantity into standard price, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For A, check what is the standard quantity for A.
Standard quantity is 350. 350, sir.
Minus what is actual quantity?
300. 300.
And the standard price we know above we quoted it, that is 10. So this will be 500 and that will also that is also plus. So that means it is favorable because here the standard is greater than actual. The next is B. For B, it is 250
Yes,
minus 325 and multiplied by 15. सही है ना, शायद 15 ही है.
yes, sir.
Now, anyone who can tell me what will be the value? That is 75 into 15. I think it will be 1075. What is the value?
Sir, 1129.
1125, sir.
1125. And this is
125.
negative.
Yes, sir.
1125 negative. So hence, it will lead to adverse 625. Why adverse? Because the negative is more than positive. So that's why it leads to adverse, that is 625. Hope you are able to understand.
Yes, sir.
And this simple solution will give you 15 marks in your examination. Everything is given by him
sir.
only, no need to calculate anything. Yes.
Sir, material usage on bitter, sir.
He has not asked. I think only 3 variances he has asked. You can check. Instead of material usage variance, he has asked material mix because both will result in same. ಎರಡರದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ, ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
Okay, sir.
ಓ ಸಾರಿ, ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರದ್ದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಅವ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೇಳನೇನೋ ಅದು. Actually, you should not ask
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
both because
ಸರ್, ಅದು ರಿವೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ರಿ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅವ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನು ಏನೋ ರೀ. ಎರಡು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬಾರ್ದವ. ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ
ಸರ್. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವಾಗ್ರಿ?
ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಅವಾಗ ರಿವೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
just a minute. Let me check and come back. Material usage variant, mix variance. Just a minute. When the ratio of actual weight of mix differs from standard weight of mix. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅದು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಅವ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ.
ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 525 ಸರ್.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ರೀ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ನಾ ನೋಡಿನ್ರಿ. ಅದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಹೇಳಿಗತ್ತನ್ರಿ, ಅವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೇಳಿಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅವ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಒಂದೇದು, when the actual weight of mix does not differ from standard weight of mix. When the actual weight of mix does not differ from, ಇದು ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಅದು A and B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Total weight of actual mix. Just a minute. Material mix variance. Can you come to exercise number 17 in your textbook? Exercise number 17. There are many, but that is something which is close to the problem which we have discussed. You are there?
Yes, sir.
Now, the same problem with the same title is given, right? Only values are differing, right? Can you see that? Okay, now for the first one, right? As per our calculation, can you take the calculator? It is 300 minus 250 into 11. Okay, yes, we have to do revised standard, right? Exactly. Now, let us see how to do it. Now, in case of revised standard quantity, RSQ is to be calculated by using the following formula. Tanre, just check what it will be. Sorry, Rick, this material mix variance, you can either change you just take it as material usage variance. Okay, कुछ भी change मत करो, do not erase it, you just make it as material usage variance. In the problem here is not asked for material cost variance, but still we have calculated, let it be there, right? We have calculated one extra, but for this you change it as material usage variance instead of material mix variance, where rest all formula and all remain same, don't change anything. Then the material mix variance formula is, first we need to calculate revised standard quantity. Okay, so what is the revised standard quantity formula? One is total weight of actual mix. Total weight of actual mix divided by total weight of standard into standard quantity of each material divided by standard quantity of each material. Can somebody take a calculator and let me know one calculation?
Yes, sir.
Calculator, please. 525 divided by 500
Yes, sir.
into 300 into 300.
315, sir.
Exactly. Okay. So same way we have to do it. Now, the first one is, remember, it is for the quantity, for the material A, it is total quantity of actual mix is 625. You can see the total which is given there. Quantity ka total diya gaya hai, that is 625 divided by 600. What is 600? It is the total of standard quantity. आप देख सकते हैं standard quantity का जो total है, that is 600 multiplied by standard quantity of A. What is the standard quantity of A? 350. Can you tell me what will be the value? 625 divided by 600 into 350.
364.59.
Okay, 364.59.
59.
We will take it as 365. Round off कर देंगे, right? Next, क्योंकि मटेरियल को यूजुअली हम पॉइंट में नहीं ले सकते हैं. Next is the same should be done for B also. For B also, it is 625 divided by 600 into. Now, what will be the result?
260.41.
260 point.
41.
Okay, we will make it as 260. 260. Hope you have understood this.
Yes, sir.
क्या आपको ये समझ में आया है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Now, next is material mix variance is equal to, that is MMV is equal to revised standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. So for the first one, that is A, it will be 365 minus, what is the actual quantity? 300 multiplied by standard price, which is 10 rupees. So it will be 650. Exactly. समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, sir.
Then next is B is equal to
260.
260 minus 300
320.
into 14. Sorry, not 14. कितना है? 15 है शायद. 15. That will be minus 600.
Yes.
Minus 600. So that gives us favorable 50. Favorable 50.
50.
Sir, actual quantity change ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ sir.
ಇದೆ ಏನದು?
ಹಾ ರೀ sir. 325
Okay,
ಅದ
okay.
sir ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Okay. 325. Done. Then what will be the value of this? Can you please tell me?
975 sir. Adverse.
975. Now it will be adverse because negative में आएगा. Adverse.
325.
How
answer.
much?
325.
Actually, I
adverse.
don't have problem with me, so you need to tell me what are the values. So that's why the problem होता है. I was not knowing that it is 325. So please, जब भी मैं पूछता हूँ आप बता दीजिए immediately कि क्या है this.
Okay sir.
Okay. So now we got 325, that is adverse. So this is how we need to calculate these four ratios. So even this was not part of your solution, but still I have given you so that even आपको ये पता चले कि अगर ये प्रॉब्लम में मटेरियल कॉस्ट वेरिएंस होता तो कैसे होता, राइट? एंड नेक्स्ट इज मटेरियल प्राइस, इट इज मटेरियल यूसेज वेरिएंस, एंड देन इट इज मटेरियल मिक्स वेरिएंस. एंड वो रिवाइज स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी का बहुत उसको कॉम्प्लिकेट मत कीजिए, इट इज वेरी इजी. याद रखिए एक्चुअल डिवाइडेड बाय स्टैंडर्ड इनटू स्टैंडर्ड, लेकिन डिवाइड करते वक्त टोटल को लेना है एंड मल्टीप्लाई करते वक्त आपको क्या करना है, यू नीड टू कंसीडर इंडिविजुअल स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी. ओके,
Yes, sir.
नाउ कैन वी गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम? टुडे वी विल सॉल्व टू प्रॉब्लम्स.
Yes, sir.
We are done with this problem. Now let me check which one to solve. Any problem you suggest to solve? Okay, can we solve this problem which is appearing on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Once look at the problem. There are totally 3 products which are given. I request you people not to write anything on the screen. Okay, let's start now. The problem which is given to you is asking us to calculate material cost variance, price variance, and quantity, or you can say usage variance. Okay, so in order to do that, we need to first understand the problem. What is given to us is the quantity and the price. Quantity and the price is given. In the last problem, the total amount was also given, but in this problem, it is not there. So we need to ascertain that. So let's start without making any delay so that in the 40 minutes time, we need to finish it. So first write the heading, calculation of material cost variance. Calculation of material cost variance. And also write the formula. Have written formula? क्या formula लिखा है हमने?
Standard quantity into standard rate minus actual quantity into actual rate.
Standard quantity into standard rate minus actual quantity into
Actual rate.
actual rate. Okay, so first, in that, the product A के बारे में हम जाएंगे, material A. So material A, it is 2,100 into 4 minus 2,200 into 4.5. Can somebody answer to this? Or either लिखेंगे, it will
Minus
be 8,900. It will be, I think it is 8,000 and it is 9,900. So the resultant amount will be Negative
minus
minus 1,500. Done.
yes,
Next
sir.
is B. B is equal to
3,000.
3,000 into 6.5 minus 2,800 into 7 into 7. So that will be
19,500.
okay 19,500 minus
19,600.
19,600. Again it is minus 100.
Advance.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Next,
Yes, sir.
C is equal to 4,200 into 7
29,400.
minus 4,000 into 7.5 4,000 into 7.5. Then next is what is 4,200 into 7?
29,400.
Okay, 29,400
30,000.
minus
30,000.
30,000.
exactly 30,000.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
30,000.
600.
So that also leaves in minus 600.
600 advance.
So the total is
2,200.
or we call it as adverse. Adverse 2,200.
2,200.
Right? Now, the next one is material price variance. Heading you write calculation of material price variance. Under that, material price variance is equal to standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. Just check whether the formula is
Plus
same.
quantity. Yes, sir. Correct.
Now, A. For A, it is 4 minus 4.5. So, again, a 4 minus 4.5 multiplied with 2,200. Anyone who can give me the resultant amount? I think 1,100 minus.
negative, sir.
Adverse.
Minus 1,100. Okay. B. It is 6.5 minus 7. 6.5 minus 7 multiplied with 2,800
1,400.
1,400.
minus 1,400.
400.
And the last one is 7 minus
7.
7.5 multiplied with 4,000.
2,000.
That will be minus
Minus
2,000. Hence, the total will be 4,500 adverse,
Adverse.
or you can call it as unfavorable. Adverse. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The last one is material. Heading you write calculation of material usage variance, where the formula is standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price.
Standard rate.
Standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. The first one is A. A is equal to, the standard quantity was 2100 minus
Minus
2200
2200 into 4.
into 4. That gives us minus 800. Hope I am
400.
right. 400. Okay.
Sir, 400.
Minus 400. Next is B is equal to 4200 minus 4000 into 6 point, sorry,
C is
6.5, sir.
B
multiplied.
to 2 8,000 to 5. So it will be 13,000, 1,300.
1,300.
For how much it will?
1,300.
Okay, and
300.
I think it is favorable. Next,
Yes, sir,
C is equal to 4,200 minus 4,000
into 7.
multiplied with 7.
1,400.
1,400.
1,004.
So it will be 2,300
favorable.
favorable. Hope you have understood this.